Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills. I'm on Craven Drive in Salford M5 to show you this new listing. It is a spacious 2-bedroom terrace property. As you can see, it has a driveway to the front and it has a well-kept garden as well. Benefits from being just a short walk from Salford Quays and Media City, and being close to 2 tram stops with direct access into Manchester city centre, so it's a great location. As we head inside, we go into a hallway which leads on through to the spacious lounge, flowing on through to the dining room, which provides access through to the fitted kitchen. Properties of this style have a really good amount of storage. There's a storage cupboard there and a further 2 storage cupboards upstairs as well. And as we head through to the back from the porch, you'll see this lovely, well-maintained garden to the rear, benefiting from later lawn grass, paving and mature plants as well. Like I said, the property is in an incredibly popular location with an easy access of amenities and transport links throughout Manchester as well, making it a great first-time home or investment. As we head upstairs from the landing, there's a separate toilet and bathroom. There's the 2 storage cupboards just through here, and then there are 2 large double bedrooms with the main bedroom just through here as well. This property would be great for someone who's looking for a property they can really put their own stamp on and make it their own. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.